Number 1. 1933 Ford 3-window, glass body, price, $35,000. Location, Camden, Arkansas. Up for sale is a sharp 1933 Ford 3-window glass body coupe. Priced at $35,000 and located in Camden, Arkansas. This classic hot rod features a powerful 347-stroker engine paired with a smooth C6 automatic transmission, delivering plenty of performance for cruising or shows. T comes loaded with modern conveniences, including air conditioning, 4-wheel power disc brakes, independent front suspension, a 4-link rear with Posey traction, and electric windows, making it as comfortable as it is fun to drive. With just 6,700 miles on the odometer, this car has been carefully maintained and remains in excellent condition, showing no significant damage or mechanical issues. The body and interior are finished in sleek black, giving the car a timeless, clean appearance. This is a one-of-a-kind street rod that balances classic style with modern performance, ideal for collectors or anyone looking for a turnkey, head-turning ride. Only one vehicle is available. Serious buyers should act fast. Number 2. 1932 Ford Hebo Roadster, price, $26,500. Location, Houston, Texas. Up for sale is a stunning 1932 Ford Hebo Roadster listed at $26,500 in Houston, Texas. This car is a true classic hot rod, lovingly built and maintained since the early 1990s. It has been driven sparingly, just around the neighborhood and trailered to small-town car shows, logging only about 300 miles, making it practically like new for a vintage build. Under the hood, it boasts a fully rebuilt 1979 Chevy 350 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, backed by a Ford Maverick rear end. The car stops confidently with front disc brakes and rear drums. Its hardwood glass body sits atop a TCI-built frame, and the exterior shows off a fresh 8-week-old paint job in a classic black finish. The tan interior is stylish, and the trunk is ready to be upholstered with included materials. Other highlights include a full book of build receipts documenting the car's history, a clean 1931 title, and a solid TCI chassis that ensures excellent handling and performance. This Hebo Roadster blends show-quality craftsmanship with street-ready drivability, making it ideal for car shows, weekend cruises, or collectors looking for a head-turning classic. This is a rare opportunity to own a meticulously built, low-mileage hot rod with timeless style. Call or text for a fast reply. Serious inquiries only. Number 3. 1931 Ford 2-door coupe, 5-window, price, $26,000. Location, Netherlands, Texas. Up for sale is a stunning 1931 Ford 2-door 5-window coupe listed at $26,000 and located in Netherlands, Texas. This classic all-steel coupe is powered by a DZ302 motor paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering plenty of vintage muscle and reliable performance. With only 10,000 miles on this beauty, it is in excellent condition and has been meticulously maintained. The exterior shines in vibrant orange, perfectly contrasting the black interior for a timeless, head-turning look. The 5-window roofline adds classic elegance, while the all-steel construction ensures durability and authenticity. This coupe drives beautifully, combining classic Ford style with modern reliability. Whether you're a collector, a weekend cruiser, or a hot rod enthusiast, this 1931 Ford coupe offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history. It's a car that must be seen and driven to truly appreciate the perfect blend of style, performance, and craftsmanship. Paid off and ready to hit the road. Number 4. 1934 Coupe Hot/Street Rod, price, $29,500. Location, Northampton, Pennsylvania. This 1930 Ford Coupe Hot/Street Rod presents as a well-finished turnkey classic built for enjoyment rather than storage. Chevy-powered and set up for modern usability, it blends traditional hot rod styling with contemporary conveniences that make it easy to drive and live with. The seller describes the car as being in excellent condition, with a strong visual presence and plenty of curb appeal. Features such as push-button start, power windows, and remote entry highlight the thoughtful upgrades aimed at comfort and reliability while still preserving the unmistakable Model A coupe silhouette. The automatic transmission further supports relaxed cruising, whether for local shows or longer drives. With only 2 owners reported and no trades requested, this appears to be a straightforward sale of a sorted street rod that's ready to enjoy immediately. Offered at $29,500, this coupe represents a solid value in the current hot rod market. Number 5. 1932 Ford 5-Window Coupe. Price, $75,000. Location, Treasure, Pennsylvania. This 1932 Ford 5-Window Coupe is a freshly built American graffiti-style hot rod that blends iconic Deuce coupe looks with modern reliability and comfort. Recently completed and showing just 2,100 miles, it presents as essentially brand new and turnkey, ready to enjoy immediately. Under the hood is a brand new Corvette-tuned port injection V8 paired with a new 4L60 automatic transmission, delivering smooth drivability, strong performance, and modern fuel-injected reliability. Power is sent through a brand new Curry rear end, a premium component that underscores the quality of the build. Convenience upgrades include air conditioning and power windows, making this coupe far more usable than traditional vintage builds. Finished in eye-catching yellow with a clean black interior, the car shows excellent overall fit, finish, and presentation. With a clean title and no known issues, this Deuce offers classic 1932 Ford appeal combined with modern engineering. Ideal for cruising, shows, or long-distance driving without compromise. Number 6. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price, $27,500. Location, Wayne, New Jersey. This 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe offers a classic hot rod silhouette at an accessible entry point for early Ford enthusiasts. Finished in black, the car presents as a clean, driver-quality build rather than an over-restored showpiece, making it appealing for someone who wants to enjoy the car on the road. While listing details are minimal, the seller notes that the car runs good, suggesting it is a functional turnkey cruiser rather than a stalled project. 3-window coupes remain among the most desirable pre-war Ford body styles thanks to their proportions, rarity, and strong resale appeal. At $27,500, this coupe is positioned competitively compared to many 1934 3-window examples that often trade well into the $30,000 to $40,000 range when sorted and drivable. Number 7. 1931 Ford Roadster. Price, $19,500. Location, Westboro, Pennsylvania. This 1931 Ford Roadster is a classic pre-war open-top cruiser presented in largely original form and described as being very well cared for. Finished in black with a brown interior, it retains the timeless Model A Roadster proportions that continue to attract collectors and casual enthusiasts alike. The seller notes the car runs well and has been driven, showing approximately 1,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Roadster is aimed more at relaxed enjoyment than strict period correctness, making it approachable for buyers seeking vintage style without the learning curve of early manual controls. As a dealership listing, it is positioned as a turnkey driver rather than a project. At an asking price of $19,500, this Roadster represents an accessible entry point into early Ford ownership. Number 8. 1930 Ford Coupe, all steel, chopped. Price, $42,000. Location, Lynch Station, Virginia. This 1930 Ford all-steel chopped coupe is a professionally built hot rod that blends traditional craftsmanship with unmistakable show-quality nostalgia. Sitting on a 1932 Ford chassis, it features a reliable 5.0L roller V8 paired with an automatic transmission and an 8 inches rear end, making it a strong, usable driver rather than a static display. Finished in striking blue metal flake paint, the car carries its retro theme throughout with matching metal flake accents in the trunk and interior. White leather seats and door panels provide a sharp contrast, while chrome reverse wheels wrapped in American classic widewall tires complete the period-correct look. With just 2,000 miles since completion and multiple show awards, including recognition at the 2020 World of Wheels, this coupe offers turnkey enjoyment with pedigree. Number 9. 1929 Ford 5-window coupe, all steel, chopped price, $29,500. Location, Vernon, New Jersey. This 1929 Ford 5-window coupe is an all-steel hot rod with a strong traditional foundation and drivability upgrades already in place. Featuring a chopped top and classic Model A proportions, it delivers the aggressive stance enthusiasts seek while retaining original steel authenticity. Power comes from a 327 Ci Chevrolet V8 paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, offering strong street performance and highway-friendly cruising. Chassis upgrades include a 4-link Ford rear end, front disc brakes, and rack and pinion steering. The seller notes the car runs well and is actively drivable. Cosmetically, it is an ideal next stage project, with serviceable paint and an unfinished interior that allows for customization. Number 10. 1930 Ford Model A Coupe, rumble seat, price, $16,900. Location, Elmer, New Jersey. This 1930 Ford Model A Coupe represents an honest and affordable entry into pre-war American motoring. Finished in blue with a tan interior, this all-steel coupe features the desirable rumble seat and retains its original 201 Ci 4-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Restored more than 30 years ago, it still presents well today as a true driver rather than an over-restored showpiece. Minor paint imperfections are noted, consistent with an older restoration. Mechanical highlights include a functioning 6-volt electrical system and a recently installed starter. Priced at $16,900, it offers strong value for collectors seeking a usable traditional Ford. Number 11. 1941 Willys Coupe, 2-door, price, $27,000. Location, Manaville, New York. This 1941 Willys Coupe is a one-owner fiberglass project powered by a 454 Chevy engine and turbo 400 transmission. While the engine runs, the car requires brakes, fuel lines, and wiring. Offered at $27,000, it is best suited for a buyer ready to complete a unique hot rod build. Number 12. 1938 Chevrolet 2-door sedan, price, $17,900. Location, Madison, Virginia. This 1938 Chevrolet 2-door sedan is a well-maintained driver with a 350 small block engine and rebuilt 700R automatic transmission. Power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, and recent maintenance make it a reliable cruiser. Offered at $17,900, it combines classic styling with modern comfort. Number 13. 1933 Ford 3-window fiberglass coupe, price, $18,500. Location, Indiana, Pennsylvania. This 1933 Ford 3-window fiberglass coupe is finished in burgundy with an off-white interior. Powered by a 350 V8 and automatic transmission, it features upgraded suspension, rack and pinion steering, and a new frame. With 35,000 miles, 2 owners, and a paid-off title, it is offered at $18,500 as a solid project or restorable driver. Number 14. 1937 Dodge 5-window coupe, price, $19,500. Location, West Babylon, New York. This 1937 Dodge 5-window coupe finished in purple with an off-white interior blends classic styling with modern upgrades. Powered by a 454 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission, it features AC, heat, power steering, independent suspension, and 4-wheel disc brakes. While the seller notes it needs paint, it is offered at $19,500 as a solid driver or project with strong potential. Number 15. 1934 Ford 3-window coupe, price, $34,000. Location, Barboursville, West Virginia. This 1934 Ford 3-window coupe is a sleek Prostreet hot rod finished in black with a matching interior. With just 589 miles, It is powered by a 355 small block Chevy paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Featuring a chopped top and aggressive stance, it is offered at $34,000, with the seller open to trades.